Here I have POCO X5 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Google Backup feature on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open Settings, then go to the About Phone section, Backup and Restore. Then in Google Backups you have to enable this Backup My Data feature. What you have to do next is add your backup account. So here you have to enter your email or phone number, tap Next. Then you have to enter your password, tap Next. Then you have to select if you will be using this device or if your child will be using it. Then accept Google's terms of service and privacy policy, and then tap accept, and after that turn on, and this feature will be enabled, and it will back up your data automatically. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.